Welcome to my honest and detailed review of the Sleep Sounds website. This platform specializes in providing an extensive collection of soundscapes aimed at improving sleep quality, aiding relaxation, and enhancing focus. Whether you're dealing with stress, struggling to fall asleep, or looking for ambient noise to accompany your work, this website claims to have you covered. Today, I'll take you through every corner of the site to help you decide if it's worth your time. Upon landing on the homepage, the design is immediately calming. With soft colors and a minimalist layout, the aesthetic complements its purpose. The menu is straightforward, offering categories such as sleep, relaxation, and focus. Each category leads to curated playlists featuring high-quality audio, ranging from gentle rainfall to serene ocean waves and melodic wind chimes. The standout feature here is the ability to customize your experience. Users can mix multiple sounds to create a personalized soundscape. For instance, you can layer rain sounds with a soft instrumental track, adjusting the volume of each to fit your preference. This feature is a major plus for those who have specific sound combinations that help them relax or sleep better. Navigating the site is user-friendly, with quick loading pages and intuitive controls. When selecting a soundscape, the playback controls are clear and simple to use. You can loop tracks indefinitely, set timers to automatically stop playback after a certain time, or download sounds for offline use, which is handy for traveling or areas with poor internet. However, I noticed some downsides. The site lacks a robust search feature, which could make finding specific sounds a bit tedious for users with particular preferences. Additionally, while most of the content is free, some of the more exclusive soundscapes are locked behind a subscription. The subscription is reasonably priced, but it may not be ideal for everyone. Another positive is the sound quality. The audio files are crisp, with no noticeable distortion or looping artifacts, ensuring an immersive experience. The platform also avoids overuse of ads, so your relaxation isn't interrupted, which is a major win for users seeking uninterrupted sessions. Overall, the Sleep Sounds website delivers on its promise to provide an oasis of calm in a chaotic world. While it has minor areas for improvement, its core offerings are solid, especially for anyone needing a reliable source of relaxing audio. If you've ever found yourself struggling to unwind or looking for the perfect background sound to focus, this site might just be what you need. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a like if you found it helpful.